Hello guys. Welcome back. Actually, I didn't upload the yesterday problem because it was not a good problem. It's not suitable in an interview, so I just ignore it and okay. And we go to today's problem. That's the power two. Sounds so simple. It's an easy one, but just check it out. Given an integer n, return true if is power two. Oh, that's so easy. Statement is so clear. Follow, could you show it without love's recursions? Hmm. Without love. Okay, but for to solve this problem by using by research methods in order to figure out the h, because as it is increasing, the value of 2 power h is increasing too. So we could use by research, but actually if we're not able to use loops or recursion. So I think that's so crazy. But actually, I think it's just really simple because we could check on the bits. If it is it's a like kind of 2 power n, so it's like 1, 2, 4, 8. This the bandwidth of this is something like this. This, this, this. It's like only one bit one and the following zero. So as long as it's very simple, just count on the zero because the constraint ends very small. Here is about um actually only 31 bits. So let the following range of 21 and check if actually I don't know the operation shift left shift right. I don't remember. It's like this. Actually and count zero if answer a one, that's unit two one. No, this is it. Yeah, that's it. Just count on the what the you must know that. Yes, that just transforms. For sure. Just mistake of mine. Yeah. Amazing. Let's pass it on. Could we write in just one? Absolutely. Any up uh, oh, that's that. Now search. What? That's I think so. Yeah, counts only one line. Wow, it's even slower. All right, it's okay, but it's one last solution. Okay, have a nice day. But actually, it's so easy. So I'd love to take another challenges. Uh, take a random problem. I think that's at a medium level. Actually, I love to filter the bit because it's medium. start as a to do for sure. And okay, the left to choose one random question here. Okay, just a bit more challenging. We have some two-dimensional coordinates. Coordinates like then remove all commas, decimal points, and space, and end up with the string s. Mm. All right. All right, got it. Return the list of strings represent all possible there for what our original coordinate could have been. Okay, our original representation never had extraneous zeros for sure. So we start with numbers like all right, extraneous. What's that?
Extraneous.
Extraneous. Extraneous. All right, extraneous. Extraneous. Okay. Oh, I understand. It's just normal character, a normal number. There's no one uh dot 1.1000. Okay, 1.3. The final answers list can be returned in any order or coordinates. In the final answers have exactly one space between them. All right, got it. For this one, we could do something like one. Uh, okay, got it, got it, got it. Wow, so it's like let's do this more, for sure, rest as digits. All right, so we just try all the possible way to split it into two parts, like this. As remember, there's no uh, zero zero at the end, so mm, I got it. For example, this k, it just can be this and this for sure because we contain zero, we can contain the zero at the end and zero at the very beginning. So the solution is to fall from left to right, left to right for sure. So we're gonna to the divider position. That's the I, and split it into two parts, like from to I and I plus one to the end, to the end. Make sure um, node to leading zero, allow everything S1 and 2 is like as from to I and actually I to the end. That's it. Actually, we need to make it at least once. So often this the answer for sure. When this is for the answers, return answer. Yeah. You should know leading zero in S1. So if let's actually last than one, uh, we need to determine point this one. After determine the point of n2, this point of n2, I'm going to simply for the point here, range length s1 for sure. It could be placed at from the second point. It's all happen when the length is actually larger than one, so it won't really acceptable. Gonna put the dots from ignore the first and the last, only the okay. Check it out. So just check it out if the P1 P1 0 is 0 for sure. What? Because continue until okay. I got sorry. Do simpler like the answers and for sure is F. This one, two. That's this. The first answers that I put it on. But remember if S1 not start by on 0, we have 1 and S1 0 and not S1 0 0 0 and 1 and 0 is both start by 0, so just ignore it. And in that state, we even can actually we can the first case and length at 2/1 and the same. This main is not starts with 0, so add the left to right function here. 0. For example, a string. Sorry. So silly, man. Just add it. That's right. In the other case, we could put a point at the very beginning at the number. Okay, when we try on the divisible position as P1 in range from length P1 S1 minus 1, sure we're gonna ignore the last dot, the last point in range of length T minus 1. I'm gonna put the point here. F S1 P1. Gotta put the point. In this case, we doesn't put any point here. I get some better way. So I just fall on the string. Try to put the new string here. I try to put the string before the dot position. Where we put the time. It's gonna become a new string, and we're gonna check it easily with some trick. I want to find function. Here's that check valid given an string and the point index here. It's gonna be return true or false. Boom. So this is int. Sure, this is a string. First of all, we need to check if the point is like is 0. So that's mean if s 0 equal to 0, so it must be return true if s 0 false. Sure. We can just simply return it is true. Okay. Alright, in the other case, we need to check if before the position, if we count is both, um, if the pass, all right, got it. If just simply line at length of the int strings of int of the x from position point index actually equal to point index. For example, like this, when you put the dot here, it's gonna become this. But actually, don't never believe in double numbers, so it's socially proposal. So I'd love to uh, do it more properly. Um, for example, like this, it's acceptable, but this may be not acceptable if dot. So the special case that's not equal to 1. So it's acceptable, but it's less than large than 1. And for sure, if you check the point index starting length as done transform for sure. The case larger than the we need to return it on f d as 0 is 0 is gonna return form for sure, and the dot if the last, make sure the length must be less than 2 for sure. For sure. All right, got it. Just to make sure, I need to check if the length of the s, but in this case, the point index must be less than 1, so we need to the length is added to for sure. Yeah, the last character is return false. L is must be true, right? Just like this case, this is not acceptable, but this is but not this, right? Okay. And the last case when the dot is exactly uh, 0. So just like this case, we also need to check if the last element for sure is always like that. We need to check the last element 11. So it's like we need to return simply return 0 equal to 0 for sure. And in the case the index is like this, we accept all the case, so it's pretty true. All right, that's it. And okay, now we do it. If check valid x1 y1 and check valid at 2.2, we're gonna add this to the answer. Actually, this is something like this. 2s1. So that's one solution. What? Oh, nah, sorry guys. We need to ignore the really last string. Sorry. We need a dot, right? A dot. Sure. All right. It's like P1. forgot to put the dot point here. And remember one thing, when the length is exactly one, so there's no this, do not remember to trim it. So add the left one if here if one equal to 0. I would do is better. The answer is S1. The curve S1 is like S1. Actually, my check is the empty or not. So I'd love to write something like this. Okay, that's it. That's my solution. Now, let's check it. Sorry for a mistake. Some silly mistake here. Oh, this is not acceptable. Is this not acceptable for sure? Oh, I think I check the last element is not. Sorry, some some mistake here, but I think sorry for that. Let's spend more attention to the detail. It just got set. Thing is, it's good. Thing is so good somehow. Check this guy what they do. And wait, good. That's nice. Today I got an interview with a Singapore-based company. I hope it's gonna be well.